Now, wage growth rose in the 3 months to May, increasing by 7.3%, the highest figure on record. Increasing wages are seen by the Bank of England and the government as one of the central drivers of the UK's high inflation. Interest rates have been steadily increased as a result, but that's led to the average two-year fixed mortgage climbing to its highest rate for 15 years. Our business correspondent Paul Kelso reports.
On the picket line in Coventry, workers think you can get anything at Amazon except a decent pay deal. They're striking, they say, just to make ends meet.
Why are you striking?
Because we are not paying as we working. I am working hard, but you're not paying. Okay. So we need more money.
At the moment, we are struggling with our life. So we are struggling with the family, with everything going high. So we want a better pay.
Is your mortgage getting more expensive too?
Yes, it is. Double.
Wow.
What's happening here at Amazon is being repeated across the country. Now, not everybody's on strike, but workers are pushing employers for higher wages to keep up with the cost of living. And employers facing a worker shortage and struggling to recruit and retain staff are paying up to make sure they have the people they need to do the job. The result is average earnings rising by 7.3% in the 3 months to May, a record level despite unemployment also going up. The Chancellor and Governor of the Bank of England say that's fuelling inflation, but wages are still not keeping up with prices, rising at 8.7%. If growth took off, it would help bring inflation back down to earth. But for that, Britain needs to address a worker shortage. These Midlands school children may be the engineers of the future, but potential employers say they need staff now.
We've got a very aggressive growth plan. We're planning to double our turnover within about 3 to 4 years. We've got the equipment, we've got the space, we've got the capital. It's the people that is a critical bit now.
Recruitment and attraction is in our top 3 issues at the moment, and we have to work twice as hard for twice as long to recruit half the people.
With interest rates set to rise further and mortgage rates at a 15-year high, higher even than after Liz Truss's disastrous mini-budget, there's likely more turbulence ahead. Paul Kelso, Sky News in Coventry.